Alexander von Humboldt described for the first time, option A, laws of limiting factor. It is incorrect because it was proposed by Blackman. Option B, species area relationship. Now, Alexander von Humboldt described the species area relationship, demonstrating that within a habitat, species richness increases with increasing area, but only up to a certain limit. And this is regarded as a fundamental concept in ecology. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, population growth equation. It is also incorrect because this equation was developed by Thomas Malthus. Option D, ecological biodiversity. Now, while Humboldt made some contributions to ecology, but the specific term ecological diversity is not credited to him. Hence, it is incorrect.